All right, folks, it's Thursday morning, April 1st, first trading day of the month, first trading day of the quarter, and the last trading day of this week, as tomorrow's Good Friday, and the markets are closed as we kick off the Easter holiday. Now, markets are up this morning, seeing a little bit of green. Why? Well, President Biden came out yesterday with that big $2 trillion plus infrastructure plan. It's aggressive, and it's still, there's a lot yet to be determined as far as how much of this are we going to get passed through Congress, and then B, how are we going to pay for it, and the higher tax rates that are going to come along with that. Thus far, not a lot of impact in the market other than buoying some of these indices like the Nasdaq, which is up 1% right now heading into today's open. Dollar holding strong. So again, with this infrastructure plan and spending is the thought of, in growth, obviously, the thought of increased inflation. So we're seeing higher interest rates. Dollar is holding on to its gains that we've seen over the past couple weeks. But the big mover today, and where everybody's attention will likely be, a lot of traders for that matter, is going to be in the oil market. OPEC's meeting today. Oil's up 1% plus right now heading into the open. So right around $60 a barrel in WTI. And what traders are looking for is OPEC going to extend its production cuts into the future here? So are they going to continue to roll those production cuts over? If they do not, and they decide to increase production, that means we could see a hit to oil prices. So something to keep an eye on there. A lot of movement in oil lately, and it's going to be a big mover again today. All right, folks, that's going to be a wrap. Enjoy the Easter holiday. Stay safe. I'll catch up with you again on Monday.